Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to fix Find My iPhone not working on iOS. So let's begin. Go to the settings and scroll down to General. Click on the software update and see if there is any latest version of your software to be updated. If yes, then simply update your software. Now, go back and scroll all the way down to Privacy and Security. Click on the section and tap on Location Services. Make sure that the Location Services button has been toggled on. If not, then simply turn on the Location Services button. Now, click on the Share My Location and make sure that the Share My Location button has been turned on. Also, Find My iPhone section has to be enabled. Now, go back and scroll up all the way to the General. We are doing this in order to restart our iPhone. Simply click on the shutdown button and shut down your iPhone. Once the iPhone starts, check if the Find My iPhone service is working or not. If not, then again go to the settings, tap on General and scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it and tap on Reset All Settings. After following all these steps, I'm pretty sure that Find My iPhone service will start working. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.